WHAWK.
They come in this little charging case about the size of some dental floss, basically, and it's got the WCRB logo on the front. And these are just the handiest things to have, and you can show off that you are a listener and supporter of WCRB when you're out and about with these earbuds. $10 per month on the sustainer plan, or a one-time gift of $120. Again, this goes away at the end of the day today, but do not let this offer pass you by. Call 888-995-9272. You can also make that gift of support online at classicalwcrb.org.
All the news in the world these days, and the new way of life that we have all been living for the last 6 months, has been really difficult. We've been hearing from so many people who say that WCRB is an oasis as we all try to navigate the world right now. What we can't do is put off the need for financial support. So we've condensed our fall membership drive from just 7 days to just 3 days. So I'm asking, if you turn to WCRB for joy and peace, we need you to make a contribution to support it right now. Help make this short, fun drive a success. 888-995-9272, or give online at classicalwcrb.org.
And we are keeping track of our goal this hour. We are looking for now just 20 more people to give to WCRB in the next just over 20 minutes. We can do it, but we need to hear from you. Make that call, make that gift of support now. Be one of the 20 people we're looking to hear from to wrap this hour up with